This is me before the hike.
This is me before the hike.
This is me before the hike. Let's go! Early in the morning.
Money. Hello guys.
Not now.
We're record. Hi guys. Transoya. What's in issue? Hello guys. This is us before tree planting. So we gotta protect the environment. Take care of it.
This is mine, so I will be doing this in that one. Let me just, ouch. So allow me to do a voiceover over here. This is us. This is me. I had to change because we're gonna do that is Doreen. Hi. So after that we had cleaning the beach. We had some good time. Nilikuwa narekodiwa so siwezi sema wanirekodie like the other way around, but yeah, we did the beach cleaning, tree planting. It was an amazing activity. I loved it, being that napenda penda. It was time for the beach. Oh my god, it was fun. It was a good experience. I loved it. I loved Chase Bay for every little thing that it gave us. We had the chance to to take pictures everywhere. We were not limited. We cleaned the beach. We also had to watch other visitors like from Korea and China. They came in for some activities. Prudence, listen up. Say hi.
Hi guys, welcome to Rahab's YouTube channel. And you know here it's all about stars, it's all about stories, it's all about modeling and everything. So we are at the Istanbul Cosmo Kenya Bootcamp as the first ever in Kenya, and the second
Ula. I am having the time of my life, guys. Mimi mwoga wa maji tangu nifunze kuswim na Prudence. Maisha iko. Another day, another gift from a Bubble Foundation. Chase Bay. In the inside, it is ta-da-da-da-da-da-da, ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. Yay! And then I have another gift. Pants. Oh my god! I'm happy, guys.
Ready?